find out the alpha numerals in addition, subtractions, everything. So today we move on to the exercise 4.1, the first exercise of chapter number 4. First question, write the following numbers in general form. So yesterday I sent one introduction video. You have cleared that how to write the numbers in general form. Okay, so now I am explaining the same. First one, it is 75. In a solution, you write the 75 and you mention the place value. So 5 is in ones place and this is in a tens place. So why I informed you to mention the place value? It is very easy to write in a general form. Okay, so you can written this 75 is equal to 7 tens. That means 70 plus 5. So this one can be written in the form 7 into 10 because 7 can be multiple with 10. So 7 in a place of tens. 7 in a place of tens. Okay, how many tens are there? 7 tens are there. Plus 5 ones are there. So we need to put bracket for this multiplication terms. So now you can see 7 tens and then 5 ones. 7 tens and 5 ones. Okay, so what is the general form? 75 is equal to 7 into 10 plus 5 into 1. So this is the general form of 75. It's the same way we need to go for 143. So 143. So 3 is in ones place, tens place, hundreds place. So now directly you can written in the general form. 143 is equal to how many hundreds is there? Only 100. So you can written 1 into 100 plus how many tens are there? 4 tens. You can written this 4 into 10. How many ones? 3 ones are there plus 3 into 1. So this is the general form of 143. 100, 4 tens, 3 ones. So 140 plus 3, 143. So in the first main, I calculate the question number A and question number C. First main A, C, I done it. So in your take your book and refer question number B and then question number D in a first main. You do it as your homework. Okay, by the reference of this video, question number A and question number C, by comparing this video, you need to solve question B and D as a homework in your homework book. So next we move on to question number 2, second main. Second main is nothing but write the following in standard form. In a previous we written in a general form, standard form to general form. So now the question is given through a general form. We need to take over to standard form. So now we need to write the question 10 into 5 plus 1. So you need to make bracket. So 10 into 5 plus 1. You must put bracket for the multiplication term. Okay, plus 1. So now you can see 10 into 5, you get 50 plus 1. So now you can add 50 plus 1, what you get? 51. So 10 into 5 plus 1 is equal to 51. So you see, this 51 is the standard form of this given general form of a number. As the same second question, 100 into 9 plus 10 into 0 plus 7. So in a solution, first you need to write and separate the bracket. So 100 into 9 plus 10 into 0 plus 7. So first what we need to do, we need to separate the multiplication terms through the bracket. Okay, so 100 into 9. So you take this one as one set plus 10 into 0. So 10 into 0 another place plus 7. So you can see the separation of the bracket. It is a place value. You see 100 into 9. So 9 is in a 100 place. Okay. So 0 into 10. So 0 is in a tens place. And then 7 separately. So 7 is in ones place. So directly you can take 100 place is 9 and tens place is 0 and 7 is in a ones place. But you want to write as it is the procedure 900 plus 0 plus 7. Okay, so now you can write the question 100 into 9 plus 10 into 0 plus 7 is equal to, you can see 9 is in hundreds place, 0 is in tens place, 7 is in ones place. So now you can see the value 900 plus 0 plus 7, you got 907. So 907 is the standard form of the given general form of a number. Next we move on to question number 3, third main and first question. Before that, so in the second main I solved question number A and question number C. So in this second main also you want to do question number B, question number D as your homework in your homework book by the reference of this video. So now third main first question, you need to solve this in one by one. Okay, we need to find out the alpha numerals A and B, C. Okay, here 3 letters are there, A, B, C. So this letters we say it as a alpha numerals. This letter we say it as a alpha numerals. So by in addition you want to find out what is A and what is B and what is C separately. So place wise you need to take first one's place and then second's place afterwards, and you want to give guessing value, which is the possible value to take over to get the given values. Okay, so in a solution you got a clearance. So first step 1, what you need to do means you write the question. Step 1. So you want to maintain this procedure as it is same in your examination. Directly you written only the answer means you didn't get any marks. You want to write the step properly. So step 1 you write first 9A plus B7, you add, you get C132. So this is the value. This is step 1. Okay, so step 2 what you need to do means we need to replace the value of A first. We need to replace the value of A. So 9B 7 C132. So you need to replace A. We need to replace A. So what is the possibilities? You go to the refer column and you solve it. So now I explained through this here. Okay, so you know that you think for any alpha numerals we need to take only 0 to 9 single digit number, only one digit number, because in ones place, tens place, hundreds place we need to fill only single digit from 0 to 9. You won't fill 10. Okay, instead of A we can't fill 10 here. Okay, we need only single digit number. So what are the single digit number? From 0 to 9 is a single digit number. These are the possible value for A, B and then C. So you must recall what you find, what you must add, you get 2. For example, you take 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. and then 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. So up to this 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. Here you can to see you take 5 plus 7. 5 plus 7 we get it 2. So you see we need to take a plus 7 is equal to 2. So 2 is in a ones place. Okay. So if you observe all this possible, so 2 you get when you add 5 with 7. So we can replace directly a as 5. A as 5. So now you can check 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. 2 and carry over 1. Okay, second step completed by replacing the value of a. Next, what you need to do, we need to find out 1 plus 9 plus b is equal to 3. So we need to replace the value of b and also c, because there is no digits in hundreds places. So this is automatically you got. So now you find out this b, you got a c also. Now we need to replace in a step 3. You replace the value of b and c. So you take 95 and carry over 1. 7, 32. Okay, you need to replace. So what you need to get 9 plus 1, 10 plus b, you need to get 3. So you can see 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. So 2 means 12. So 10 plus 3 is equal to 13. So this is one is the possibilities, and if you go with 10 plus 13 only, again you get 23, end with 3. But 13 is impossible, we take only single digit number. So instead of b, we take 3. So now 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 3, 13, 13, 3 and remaining carry over 1. So there is no place value. So you put 1 in a place of C. So now in a second step we replace the value of A as 5, and third step we replace the value of B and C. So now you get the required value A equal to 5, B equal to 3, C is equal to 1. So this is the main method to find out the alpha numerals in addition. So now we take a multiplication, that is 2a into 7 divided by b2, not divided by, you get the answer is b2. This is step 1. Step 1 always you write only the question. Okay, so what is the possibility to get 2 in a unit place when we multiply any of the number with 7? So you can take a into 7 is equal to 2 in a unit place. So if you say the table 7, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 sixes are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 64, 7 nines are 63, 7 tens are 70. So only one possible. If we take 6, you get 42. So 6 into 7 you get 42. So 2 is in a unit place, 4 you take a carryover. Okay, so in a step 2 we need to replace A as 6. Two into 7. So in a step 2 we replace 6 and you get 6 sevens are 42 and then 4. Okay, and you need to replace the B also directly. If you get this one, 7 twos are 14 plus 4 18. If you get 18, so now you see this extra digit number, you don't follow that one. So here this is A and this one is B. Okay, 1 is extra digit, we take it as C, whatever it is, but you know the required value. A equal to 6, B equal to 8. Okay, and another one, again addition, but 3 digit number. So step 1, directly we write question A 7 5 2 B C. If you add and you get 3 7 B. Okay, so what is the possibilities to add? For example, if you add this 2, you get maximum possible values. Okay, in a shortcut way. Step 1, step 2. So 5 plus C is equal to 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, you check it. 5 plus 5 equal to 10, 5 plus 6 equal to 11, 5 plus 7 equal to 12, 5 plus 8. So instead of C, you take 8. If you take 8, so what you get? You get 8 plus 5, 13. So 3 you got it, and carry over 1, and you close the second step. So now first we replace the value of C. So instead of C, we take 8. So 8 plus 5 equal to 13. We get that unit place 3. So next we need to 1 plus 7 plus B is equal to 7. 1 plus 7 plus B is equal to 7. So what you take? 1 plus 7 means 8 plus B is equal to 7. So what you replace instead of B? If you take 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. No, you won't get 15 here. Okay, you won't get 15 here. So what is the possible value? From 0 to 9. If you take 0, you get 8. If you get 1, only 9. So 5 is 13. So I replace 8 plus 9 is equal to 17. If you take 9 instead of B, you get 7 in a unit place. Okay, so in a step 3, we replace the value B. Step 3, I need to replace the value B. So value B, I take 9. So now you can solve it. Is 13 and carry over 1, 9, 10, 17, 7, carry over 1. So you know that already if you replace B as 9 means automatically here also B. If you take here B means you take this one also 9 directly. Okay, so now what you need to get? We need to get 1 plus A plus 2 is equal to 9. A plus 3 is equal to 9. Then A equal to 9 minus 3, A equal to 6. If you take 6, you get 9. So in step 4, we replace the value of A. Step 4. In step 4, we replace the value of A in 6. Remaining we got it 675, and B you know that 9, that is 298. Now you add 8 plus 5 equal to 13, 3, remaining 1, 9 plus 1, 10, 17, 7, remaining 1, 6 plus 1 plus 7 plus 2, 9. So now you can see the value of A already we replace, for example, first one, value of C we replace 8, and value of B we replace as 9, and value of A. So A, B, C you got it. So A is equal to 6, B is equal to 9, and then C is equal to 8. Okay, so by solving this normal addition, you got the alpha numerals A, B, C. Okay, children, I hope you may understand the steps how to write the general form and standard form and how to find out the alpha numerals through addition and multiplication. If you have any doubt, you clarify with me in a live session. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching நம்ம சேனல். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. மறக்காம இந்த சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிட்டு பக்கத்துல இருக்கக்கூடிய பெல் பட்டனை ட்ரைன் தட்டுங்க.